A brand new year, a couple of brand new machines. 2 SL-10s arrived at Techniset in January 2025, straight into production. Both machines are equipped with the SCP Step Cycle Pro for swath management during production. They're a 10mm maximum bar diameter, perfect for high precision, small turn parts in high volumes. Machines run with the Fanuc Series 32i control, which is absolutely brilliant for production and setting and programming of these machines. And then they're both equipped with 4-meter long micro mag bar feeders, giving us as much continuous production as possible for as long as possible. If you've got a requirement for small precision turn parts that fit these machines, get in touch with the sales team at sales@techniset.com.